Okay, so
I'll test the PVC.
we are testing the EVAP purge valve, and we have 2 screws here, and one is covered with the electrical tape, and there are inside the little pins that are from this connection right here. So, but the trick here, make sure that both bolts don't touch together inside the
Wheels, the screw going have a wire.
inside here, the purge valve. And so when you put the battery on, you're gonna hear. Okay, that means the purge valve is closing when there's a volt going into the solenoid. Okay, now to actually test if if it's working, we're gonna blow here on this side, and this side right here, it's the one that's coming from the fuel tank, which is this one right here, and the hose go all the way down there. So we're gonna put the battery on the pins and blow on the hose here. So when I'm blowing without the battery, with the battery touching, it's supposed to be going air through the solenoid. But when he takes the battery off the pins, it's supposed to close, and the air won't be able to go through the other side. So here you go. And that's how it works.